Thanks for listening. This is Linda Dawkins with That's Love for You podcast. 8 simple ways to make your house more green. This is Linda Dawkins, and you are watching That's Love for You podcast. Welcome. You guys know in 2 days, it's going to be Earth Day again. I have 8 ideas to make you or to help you get your house more green and give a little pat on your back for participating in Earth Day and doing your part with our green society here. Going green can be a daunting task, but relax. Here are a few simple changes you can make to get started, and I'm going to go fast. On a greener lifestyle, number 1, save water by washing full loads. This handy green tip works for both washing clothes and dishes. Save dirty clothes in a laundry bag or hamper and use that super large setting on your washing machine. The same savings applies to washing dishes. Make sure your dishwasher is full before turning that start dial. Number 2, air dry your laundry. Consider installing a clothesline in your backyard or basement or kitchen, or use a freestanding clothes rack that folds up when not in use. Drying your clothes will be 100% green with the air dry method. Number 3, use glass food storage containers. Plastic is the least green food storage container, but if you look in most kitchens, plastic is the most often used container. By switching to glass food storage containers, you take a huge step towards living a greener lifestyle. Note, not only does the manufacturing of plastic harm the natural environment, but certain types of plastic are harmful to your health as well. Number 4, install a new shower head. Older shower heads are notorious water wasters. Switch your old one for a newer model. A new green shower head uses 1 to 3 gallons less water per minute than older models. And that's quite a savings on your wallet too. Turn off lights when you leave a room. Unplug all devices and utensils and unplug everything. If you're not going to be in the house, unplug your microwave. Unplug your stove if it's electric. Unplug your computer because you know it's going to just reload when you get there once you plug it back in. Unplug everything, your fans. If you're not in the home, what is it plugged in for? It's still drawing current. So please, unplug it all. You'd be surprised how many people forget to do this simple action. If no one is in the room, there can't be a good reason to waste energy to brighten it up. Turn the lights off. With a simple flip of the light switch, a greener lifestyle is yours. Plus, you'll be saving money on your bill. Number 6, think before buying cheaper paper products. Sometimes paper plates and cups and napkins are a necessity. Most of the time, they're not. Even recycled paper products are they waste energy during the recycling process. Look in your kitchen cabinets and you'll probably find an assortment of little used china and ceramic plates and mugs. Use them for your microwavables. Then why don't they just put them to good use? Also, cloth napkins can make an easy meal seem like a special occasion. Recycle old t-shirts. Think about it. Recycle the old t-shirts that are not worth donating to Goodwill. Don't throw them out. Replace your paper towel whack with them. A stack-free assortment of shirts in squares. They're soft and absorbent and best of all, reusable. Just throw them in the washer and air dry them. And you have an unending supply of cloths for every kind of cleanup chore. Use an old-fashioned broom and mop. Make sure you put a plastic bag on the end of your broom because it picks up more static, which also draws dust to it. Have you ever noticed that most of today's household chores require some sort of electrical appliance? Well, your local home improvement stores still sell supplies. They still have a supply of old-fashioned brooms and mop heads and mops. So sweep your floor instead of vacuuming. Sweeping the floor with a broom gets rid of dust and crumbs just as well as plugging in that vacuum. Just might be a little more work, which guess what? You need that work anyway. It's good exercise. And mops have been used to clean up floors for hundreds of years. Using both makes your house a green haven. Follow these simple steps every day and see how easy it is to live a greener lifestyle. You're going to love it. And so is the planet.